So this is my week 6 reflection. It's going quite fast at the moment. I'm enjoying the process. However, I'm not getting a lot of sleep. Just showered. It's currently, it's currently 12 a.m. Yeah, I'm doing all these reflections. I'm tired. Anyway, let's get straight into the little reflection. Hope you guys are doing well. You know, whoever's watching, hi Faye. Yeah, let's get straight into it. So Wednesday was basically like style research, so how I really wanted the final outcome to look, as well as like the color grading sort of thing, because I have to sort of film in a way that will complement the color grade. So I've had to do a bit of research into how I want the initial structure to be, using lighting, etc., in order to best see how the color grade will fit. So yeah, I had to do a bit of like research regarding style, as well as like just other movies that give me inspiration for my color palette, that I'll be using for the final products, because I want to have a nice color palette that makes sense and sort of like portrays the emotion that I'm going for. I also did a little video on my research, and how I research lighting and how it can change the atmosphere, which is one of the big things in my project at the moment. I want the atmosphere to be perfect. I want it to be creepy, dingy, like very like chemist, like clinic like a doctor's office, cold and gloomy. Do you know what I mean? So I'm going for that sort of vibe. And that's basically what I did for Wednesday. Thursday, it was basically like structural, like planning my shots. So how I wanted shot by shot, sort of like what I was going to use, how it was going to pan out, sort of thing. I just wanted it to look very cinematic, so I just had to do some research of how I'm going to plan my storyboard, if that makes sense. Still very early on with the structure, the footage. I'm sort of just taking a lot of inspiration from the movies that I'm researching at the moment, as well as like the lighting and stuff. It all comes into play, so I'm just sort of trying to dedicate my time to structuring the project as best as possible. And then Friday was some test shots and a bit of location research. I did those like very rough test shots. However, they were, I don't know, like you have to have a certain location for those test shots. I was just testing how they would look if I was going to use that sort of style. It was very cinematic, certain lighting aspects, etc. Make it just look good. I just wanted to have like a rough template of the shots that I might use and how they would look, if that makes sense. And regarding location research on Friday, I basically asked a few people, I looked around at local garages, etc., about how I was going to film, asked if I could film. I did like a little reached out, asked my mum if she could ask a few friends. I asked my friends if they've got any locations and stuff. They're gonna get back to me soon. So hopefully that is all good. I also did a bit of research near me about local places. There's like a few football clubs, rugby clubs that I might be able to use their change rooms, etc. So yeah, or like their sheds, like the little containers that they have. I know there's a place near me that has like massive shipping containers that we might be able to use. So that'd be quite cool. But yeah, all in all, week 6 was very productive. I just got a lot of my research done and structured my thing with a bit, yeah, just structured my production. So yeah, that is my week 6. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in week 7. See you in a bit.